Safety 360 is a culture. Safety is not a word, it becomes a culture in everything we do in work and what we bring home at the end of each day.
Safety 360 is about managing things so that we all get home safe at the end of the day. But Safety 360 is more than just a safety management system. It's a state of mind.
Safety 360 is our #1 initiative in Dublin. It's about leadership and applying those skills towards safety. Workers want to be respected and have input. Safety 360 is a differentiator to engage with our subcontractors as partners. Better engagement, planning and safety results in better project delivery for everyone involved.
Safety 360 will help us improve safety within our company and also will help us improve safety within our industry.
Safety 360 is not just words, it's our culture. Programs may slip, costs may overrun, but there's nothing more important than to make sure that the people touched by our business on an every day go home safe to their families.
Safety 360 means to me a look in the mirror at myself to see what I can bring to promote and maintain safe working environments for all of our colleagues, subcontractors, staff and workers.
Safety 360 means to me that you can step on a Structuretone site securing the knowledge that you're going to be safe.
Safety 360 is about changing our mindset and how we approach safety in our day-to-day lives. From senior management to the construction staff on the ground, it's about creating a positive atmosphere and welcoming feedback.
What Safety 360 means to me is that everybody should go to work safe and get home safe with no risk. And from a lifestyle point of view, we go out in one piece and get home in one piece.
Safety 360 is about Structuretone redefining our approach to health and safety delivery on our job sites. It's to ensure we give the best opportunity to everyone we come in contact with to get home safely.
Safety 360 to me means prevention is better than cure. It means living tomorrow is the reward we receive for working, playing, living safely today. The most important stat for me is zero injuries.
Safety 360 to me means being safe at home or in the playground, when you're driving the car, when you're at work, and no matter what you or your loved ones are doing or your work colleagues, that you do it with safety in mind.
The recent rollout of Safety 360 throughout all our sites has helped to further ingrain safety awareness in both our clients, myself and my colleagues. Safety to me means going home at the end of each day safe, well and happy.
Safety 360 encourages us to look out for one another. It helps us to take a more active role on a day-to-day basis to make sure that everybody involved in all of our projects stays safe at all times.
A safe site is a clean site, is a happy site.
Safety 360. Everybody, everywhere, every day.